how to add phone number or email on Instagram. In order to do that, just head over right here to your tree line. And then from in there, you can see this account center. Now, it contains your personal details. So head over and then click on that right here. And then just wait for this to actually open. Once you have done that, scroll down until you can see your personal details right here. Head over and click on that. And you can see here your contact info, birthday, and the likes. Click in here on your contact info. And you can click on this add new contact on the bottom. And then you can have the option right here to just add a phone number or an email. So for example, let's try to add an email. Click on that. And then just enter in here this particular email that you want to add for that thing. So just enter email address and then click on text right here. If you want to add a phone number, you can also do so. Click on this add new contact, click on this add mobile number, and then just add in here your phone number if you want to as well. So that's how you add phone number, email, and Instagram. Hope we helped.